boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Here we are back at the build in Darwin. Day, what is it, maybe 42? Day 42. Things are rolling along great. The roofing guys are here, so they're like independent contractors. We purchased the roof supplies from this company, and they brought out their own crew. They've got the biggest part of the roof is all strapped down now, and they're just working on the front overhang. And then the guys, our regular crew, have been giving her crap doing the sanding of the cement and skim coating, and yeah, things are progressing very nicely. They should have the roof here done by the end of the day, which day 42, that's kind of unbelievable. But we'll just give you a shot of the guys working here, and then when they go on break, we'll do an interior shot just so you can see how things are progressing. So we'll do that, and we'll see you shortly. All right, so here we are at the actual build. The guys have been working very, very hard. They're on their coffee break now, except for Edgar, our engineer. He's working hard, supervising everybody. How are you, Edgar?
Fine.
Coming along pretty good, eh? So yeah, you can see all the work the guys have had done. They're getting the skim coat on the side, and this is real progress on the roof. So they got all the roof in here today.
Ceiling.
Ceiling, right? So you can see the kitchen here is raised a little bit. So it's about 6 inches higher, just to give it some good airflow and just give it that, I like the vaulted ceilings back home. I think mine are 17 feet. So then they strapped all this in, and then we're gonna have, you can see where it's up 6 inches here too. We're gonna have a great big kick-ass fan in the middle, trying to keep it a little cooler. And there's going to be lighting in there, as well as pocket lights where you can see on the side there, having them go and stuff. So yeah, it's looking really, really good. Really happy with it. Still working on the washrooms and stuff. This is going to be the living room area. Me and Joyce haven't decided. We're either going to put the TV on this wall or get a stand and put it underneath the window here. But that's minor stuff. That's a few weeks away. This is the back door. This is our back property. As you can see, beautiful views everywhere. Beautiful views everywhere. That's why we have windows everywhere. Have a little closet here. This is going to be the main breaker box. Put all Joyce's winter coats in there. Oh, they got it in here too. This is the spare room, our visitor room as we like to call it, the Canadian Connection. You guys come stay. This is the view that you guys will have both ways. Again, they got the roof in here. For now, we're not putting an air conditioner in. We just want to see how cool it does get at night. Our neighbor over here, Derek, doesn't even have air conditioning. He says it stays cool, so we'll see. But that's something we can put in, no problem. One big thing that I did say with our contractor is I want to have plug-ins. I hate trying to find plug-ins and running extension cords. So you'll see every room. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, sides of the bed, there's always 2, and at least 1 per wall. So yeah, that'll be an issue.
This will be the pin light.
Yeah, we went with square pin lights as opposed to circles.
Yeah.
Supposed to be more modern, my interior decorator tells me. Then eventually we'll put either a china cabinet or a little desk for Joyce. I'm not sure which yet. That's down the road. We're just worried about the build right now. Got the roof in here too in my office. So this is coming along good. I like how it's looking. So again, I've got the views, 2 windows in my office. I wasn't going to put my desk here and face out, but I don't want to look at that wall. So I think I'm just going to put the desk along this wall, baby. So I can look out. Welcome to the jungle.
So this wall will be your paraphernalia.
Paraphernalia.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to limit myself to 3 of my jerseys and sports. I'm thinking my Guy Lafleur, that's the #1 priority. Personally signed to the Fu Man. Gretzky, and probably Bobby Orr. 3 greatest hockey players of all time. Oh, Messier too. Messier's got to be in there. I got so much. I love my sports paraphernalia, but I don't have nearly the wall space I used to. Gonna put a little hide-a-bed or something in here too. So if we get families like Stewie and Brandy coming over, then the kids will have a place to stay too. And we can even shoot some videos from there too. Watch your step, baby. This is the dining area, patio door here, and of course in the bedroom, master bedroom, we're going to have patio doors, TV here, Again, you can see all the outlets that we got for the plug-ins. TV will go up here, right? And this is the ensuite, so have the shower here, rub-a-dub-dub, 3-bed in a tub. Right, and then we're gonna have 2 vanities here. His and a hers. Guess who's gonna have the most room for that? Toilet and the urinal, baby. That's how we do it.
And
And then can you get over there? Careful, don't unplug anything or unless you walk through there.
this is walk-in closet.
The walk-in closet.
Yeah. So this is the lights in the walk-in closet.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. There's another window here and a big glass door.
Glass door. And then show them a shot upwards of the overhang. So we'll have shade for the first 2 meters. And then we'll extend that out below. So having concrete about 3 feet out after that, and then straight into the pool.
So if the sky is clear and you are sitting here with the table on the patio, it's good to see all the nature there and the
You
mountains.
see the mountains there today?
Not today because it's cloudy.
Yeah. But it's $1 million view for sure, just the view alone. When we here, come over here, baby, we'll show them the first lot and dip on. So these properties were moving very quickly when Tim and Rose first put it on their channel. And we actually, sight unseen, bid on this lot here because they were going so fast, we were scared we weren't going to get them. With the time zone change, we told the realtor that we would put a bid in on it. It was nighttime already, so first thing in the morning he phoned and the lot was gone already. So we kind of got our hopes up, right? Which I always tell you, you never do it till it's done. So we were pretty disappointed. And Jack said, well, give me a couple of hours, I'll work on something. He contacted the landowner here and they agreed to sell us this lot. And as far as I'm concerned, this is the best lot. We got Tim's behind us, but his house is way back. So all we really see is his front yard, unless we're going over to visit or go swim in the pool or whatever. Then we have Derek this way, but the other two, as you guys have seen the view a million times by now, I'm sure. Like we have no neighbors. We have jungle, we have coconut trees, and on a clear day you can see the mountaintop. That's actually why we angled our house towards that. I was going to face the Tim's, towards, not Tim's, sorry, Derek's originally. But we saw those mountaintops, we thought, oh my God, we want to look at that every morning, right? Drinking our coffee and jumping in the pool. So yeah, to get the roof in, that is huge. That is huge. These guys have been working hard. I can't say enough about the crew we got. Right, baby?
Yeah.
These guys show up every day, work their butts off. But now it's getting, when it got up to the walls going up, everything went fast. Then with the skim coating and stuff, things kind of slowed down. In the last couple of days, we've seen a lot of progress with the roof and the outdoor, the tin roof too. Those guys are giving it to.
And you don't feel now having a ceiling is cooler, a lot cooler?
The higher ceiling?
No, now they put the ceiling,
Oh, the ceiling?
feeling
Yeah.
is a lot cooler,
Yeah.
better than
But
before.
when we get moved in here, having a little higher ceiling
Yeah,
is going to be good. Usually they're 9 feet over here and we went 11.
okay.
So, no, it's good. It's really starting to take form now. It's always, oh, do we make this decision right? Do we do that one? And couple of things, minor things I would have done differently, I think, but overall it's exactly what we wanted, right? So yeah, we'll sign off here. Happy Valentine's Day to all the girlfriends back home. Fellas, make sure to take care of them. Hit like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.
I'm happy because I have a new plant. It's called red bamboo and red palmera. And this one, the another version of the rubber plant. It's very good. This is a rubber plant also, but it's the white version, and this is the green version. So another collection again from my landlord. She give me a lot of plants over here. Look, I'm collecting a lot of plants for my landscape. It will be very lots of work, but I'm happy because when my surrounding is beautiful, lots of flowers, I'll be good. And this is the millionaire's plant. Look. And this is, I don't know what's the name, but it's rare. One of the rare plants that I got. And this one too. My friend gave me the contractor's wife. The other contractor's wife gave me. And this is the tricolor plant. This is very sensitive, so I put it out of the sun. It doesn't like sun. It doesn't like heat. So it stay here in my kubo. And I have a fortune plants over there too. Yep, life is good. I love my plants. I love that guy. Happy
More than the
Valentine's.
plants?
Yeah, of course. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. See you next video. That's the progress for day number 42. Okay, bye bye.